and welcome to this video about the Casio G-Shock GM-110EARTH-1 watch. It is sold out on the Casio website, although you can obtain it still from other retailers, of course. Full disclosure, I have opened this box before just to briefly inspect the watch through the plastic, but I have never removed the plastic stickers or worn this watch or anything like that. So this is pretty exciting for me, and I hope at least mildly interesting for you. First, I'll show you the packaging. And first off, I wanted to mention that the astronaut helmet that you may have seen in some of the promotional photos, I think that's an exclusive to China, and the standard packaging everywhere else is what you will see here. So there is this special box. It looks like a satellite view centered on Japan at the top. Makes sense since Casio is Japanese. And then the box has like metallic sort of gold and blue dots all around it, and then G-Shock in blue there. And then if you open this box, I forget whether these were actually at the top before. I think I might have taken them out of the box just to store them there so they're not jammed into the metal case. But as you can see, this watch is module 5553. So you can track down the manual and instructions online if you need to. If you pull this tab up, here is the unique metal box or case or whatever you want to call it for this watch. Black with silver and blue metallic dots on it. And then G-Shock and blue on top. If you open that up, then here's our watch. And you know, needless to say, the aesthetics of this watch are really the main reason to buy it, let alone pay a premium price for it when it does not have, you know, some of the features that you would normally pay a premium price for, like the solar or Bluetooth or multiband 6. But it just looks very cool, and it is one of the GM, so the metal as the metallic case, and very nice design. You can see the blue here as well, and I'm going to go ahead and take these stickers off, like I said, for the first time. If I can get it, of course. There we go. And I've never, you know, set the time or anything like that, so knowing me, I'll probably mess everything up. Okay, so I have the plastic off. I still have the tag on there, but as you can see, it's meant to be sort of evocative of a satellite view of Earth, you know, with like clouds and sort of the green and brown that you would see for the land, of course. It has kind of a, you know, negative display, if you want to call it that, but it's a little bit different than usual because the background is blue and the letters and numbers, I don't know, if you maybe want to call those silver. It's kind of difficult to tell depending on the light. But the dial basically is, you know, the same sort of shape and formatting and everything as you would see on any of the 110 models, whether they're, you know, metal or otherwise. And so this is one of those analog digital watches. Has the hands to show the time, as well as, you know, some digital screens with information, and of course a number of different functions. You can see the buttons on the side are black, and then you have this resin band with some texture, and see the G-Shock in blue there, and some gold accents as well. And just a very attractive watch, beautiful watch. And I think well worth it if you can, still find it out there in spite of it being sold out on the Casio site, as I mentioned. There are still, places selling it. In the next videos, I will actually go through some of the features, what you can do with in the basic timekeeping mode as well as the other modes, and how to adjust things, because I still need to set the time and time zone and everything like that myself. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.